Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I built this in just 10 minutes. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to build these kind of amazing looking website, looking so professional in just 10 minutes using Antigravity. And for this, you just need to follow a right approach. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I built this website, and you can build it too. So let's start. So before jumping right into Antigravity and asking AI, hey, build me this amazing looking website that looks so professional, we need to do one thing, which is very important. That is to generate image for the project. And for that, we need to follow 3 steps. Step 1, we need to really define a nice prompt that I can pass to Gemini to generate a video. And once this video is being created, then we use this website to split it into frames. Because as you have seen, when I was scrolling the website, it was creating this smooth scrolly effect. And this is how we achieve it. So let's go and look into the prompt first. Okay, so when writing a prompt to generate a video, we really need to think about what we really want. We can also write a prompt to Gemini saying, hey, create a slow motion video of a fresh vegetable dropping into crystal clear water. And most probably, Gemini would create a nice video that fits our requirement. But here, what I have done is that I have broken this prompt into subjects, key visual elements, lighting, background, composition, and mood. Because here we are trying to create a very professional looking video, because we really want to create a website that can stand out, right? So here we are really defining some kind of a boundary condition. We are defining about subjects. We are defining how these key visual elements will interact with each other. What should be the lighting condition, like a professional studio lighting, background atmosphere, composition, and what is the mood. So when you define very clearly to AI, following certain guideline, you get amazing results. And let me show you. And look at this. Gemini has created a really nice looking video that clearly follow the guideline that I have defined, right? Okay, now I have uploaded this video in the website. I'm going to split this video into frames, and I have said that the output format should be WebP. This is very important. And when you split it, the frames are looking like this, right? So once you are done, then you have all the images that we will require for our website. So let's go. Now, the next step is that we need to really write a nice prompt similar to what we did for video prompting, right? Okay, so this is my prompt guideline, which I've followed to build this website. And I have learned this technique in last 3 months. I was trying building a lot of website, and I was not very happy with getting the result. And over the time, what I realized that if you really give a right persona to AI to act like, that sets a quality and expectation, right? Then you need to clearly in your prompt define the task. What are you trying to build? Because AI needs that context to make a smart decision. Of course, you can give a prompt and say, build a website for me, and AI can pick any kind of a tech stack and build something for you. But why not just define the right tech stack for your website? And why it matters, because all the modern tools that we have, they perform better, right? And if you do not provide this kind of guideline, AI can always take a decision which might not what you are looking for. What we need to do is really define the look, define even the color background, give some color palettes to AI, describe the experience, what kind of user experience you want. And when you are giving a very specific details to AI, AI can build what you want. And the last point, which is very important, is that you need to set the standards. You need to define your rules so that it sets like a quality gauge before moving your code to production. You really need to define these 6 things in your prompt, and then your results would be amazing. This prompt, I have defined what you need to act as, what is your mission, what kind of tech stack you are going to use, what are the assets and critical constraints when you are thinking of building this web page, and so on. So you see, this prompt is not very generic prompt. It contains a lot of information. And if you give this information to AI, it can quickly understand how it needs to reach the goal, right? I would encourage you to try to build similar thing give a very generic prompt and try to follow this pattern. You will be amazed with the result that you will get. And this is I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so instead of recreating the website again, what I'm going to show you the steps, right? So basically, the prompt that I was speaking about, I copied this prompt and pasted it in the chat. So I selected the planning mode, pasted this prompt that I spoke about, and boom, I clicked and it created a nice plan. So you see the power of defining your prompt correctly. You can really achieve things much faster. So I'm sharing everything with you. Just use it. Give me a feedback, how it worked for you. And as you can see that with this single prompt, I think only with 1 or 2 iteration, I was able to achieve this amazing website. And I can make it even smoother, right? But it really follows the color combination pattern, because there I gave an information about what kind of color combination I need. And the results are really amazing. I'm very happy with it. And in my next videos, mostly now I will start talking about how to build these websites that are connected to APIs. I hope you liked the video and you really learned something from this. I have shared all the materials with you in the comment. Please go through it and try it out by yourself. So until then, see you in the next video and keep learning. Bye-bye.